ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trace People's Tips. We've got a Vauxhall Astra on a 10 plate. Now this is the driver's side, right hand drive obviously. Down there is where your bonnet pull is, just there. Right, so you pull that, then you get underneath, there's your bonnet catch, you press that upwards, see? So it slams about here, finger underneath it, lifts up. That will open your bonnet. Your oil, there's your dipstick. Pull that out and you give it a wipe. Make sure that your car has been sitting for a while so it all settles down and it's not hot, preferably. It's cooled down, right? That's not necessarily to check the oil, but it's to check your coolant. Okay? On your dipstick, you see the little grid lines at the top is where you want to be. So this is perfect. So we'll just put that back in there and make sure when you put it back in, you press it all the way back in. Over here is your brake fluid. Now your brake fluid container, if you look just underneath, can't really see it from there, but just down there you got the markings on the side of your container, minimum and maximum. Keep an eye on it. Well, you shouldn't really have to, but you shouldn't be losing brake fluid. The only time that should go down is when your pads are wearing. Okay, over here you have your expansion tank. Now you never open this while your engine is hot. Okay, it will just blow back at you. That's your level again. There's your mark. So your minimum and your maximum. Okay, and here at the front of your vehicle is where you top up your screen wash. So you just pop that open. There you go, and you fill it up, and you close it back. Here is where you would change your oil filter if you're doing a service, so you need to get underneath, drain your oil, unscrew that, get a new filter, put inside there. Air is your air filter if you're doing a service. You undo these screws around it, lift that off, take your air filter out, put your new one in. Underneath here, this just pops up, and there you have your coil pack and your spark plugs.